The research team does their work on the coldest, driest, windiest, highest continent on Earth. Let's start by identifying Earth's major continents and oceans. Find these locations on your map: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Australia, Asia, Antarctica, Arctic, Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern. Label these on your map. Let's continue enhancing our map skills by finding these locations on your map: Equator, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Prime Meridian, Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere. Follow along with your map and label. Antarctica was known long before anyone ever set foot on it. Cartographers or map makers, like Brad Harrod and others, created the large map you are looking at today. A copy of this map is provided in your kit. Let's take a closer look. In this activity, we'll take a closer look at Antarctica. Follow along with your map and label. Antarctica has two major land masses: East Antarctica and West Antarctica. The Transantarctic Mountains, one of the world's longest mountain chains, form the boundaries between East and West Antarctica. West Antarctica, highlighted in pink, includes the Antarctic Peninsula, also known as the arm of Antarctica. The Transantarctic Mountain regions are highlighted in red. East Antarctica is highlighted in blue. Color and label the Transantarctic Mountains, East Antarctica, and West Antarctica on your map. The Ross Ice Shelf is a massive shelf of ice that extends off mainland Antarctica into the Ross Sea. It's about the size of France and several hundred meters thick. It is different from an ice sheet, which covers land. Here's an easy way to remember the difference. Ice sheets cover land like your bed sheets cover your bed. Ice shelves hang over water from land like your shelves hang on the wall. Color and label the Ross Ice Shelf on your map. The Ross Sea is the largest bay in the Southern Ocean, nestled between West Antarctica and East Antarctica. It is an important ecosystem that is home to an amazing diversity of marine life: mammals, birds, fish, and over 1,000 different invertebrate species. And it feeds many more that migrate to Antarctica during the summer months. Color and label the Ross Sea on your map. The Ross Ice Shelf, the Ross Sea, Ross Island. Do you notice a theme? All of these landmarks were discovered in 1841 by British Antarctic explorer Captain James Clark Ross as he was mapping the Antarctic coastline. Ross Island is a large, 45-mile-wide volcanic island featuring two large volcanoes, Mount Erebus, which is active, and Mount Terror. The volcanoes were named by Captain Ross after his expedition ships, the Erebus and Terror. Another Ross Sea claim to fame is that it is home to over 350,000 Adelie penguins. Color and label the Ross Sea on your map. McMurdo Station, home of the largest U.S. research station, serves as our base camp for the Weddell Seal project. Thanks to the Antarctic Treaty, up to 1,200 scientists and support staff work here annually, studying everything from tiny krill to giant whales and from meteorites to mountains. The Antarctic Treaty, initially signed by 12 countries and now supported by 49, provides the peaceful use of Antarctica. One of its main goals is to support and encourage international cooperation in scientific research. Color and label McMurdo Station on your map.